Are you having problems with your Duet dating app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step solution to this problem. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your Duet app, and instead you're going to go into the settings app on your phone. So just open up the settings app on your phone, and now you should be taken to a page very similar to this, as you can see. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to click where it says General. So click on General, and as you can see, it should now take you to this page, which is great. So now what you're going to do on this page is to scroll down in here again, and then you're going to click where it says Storage. So click on Storage, and as you can see, it should now take you to this page, which is great. So on this page, you're just going to scroll up a little bit in here and click on the search symbol in here, or like the search bar, as you can see in here. Search for Duet. Click on the app in here, as you can see, then just simply click on Offload App, and once again click on Offload App in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the reinstall app button here once again. Because basically what will happen now is that you will automatically update your Duet app to the latest version. So just wait like a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, and quite often it is quite fast. At least that is in my experience. The update, as you can see, it's very fast. And when it's done, just go back into the app. This actually fixed it for me. So I guess that when they maybe release like a new update, we have to get it to be able to actually access the app, and the previous update is going to be like a lot of bugs and stuff like that, and that's maybe why we cannot use it. So try this, and hopefully now it's fixed for you as well.